Today we are going to see image-based question in surgery. Most commonly used preservative used shown in photograph is isopropyl alcohol. Growth curvature of tumors shown in photograph is known as Gompertz curve. Middle shown in the photograph metabolic responses, surgery and trauma. Identify the abdominal condition shown in the photograph is rectal prolapse. Image shown in photograph is CT abdomen. Diagram shown in photograph reference trauma triad of death. Primary surgery shown in photograph is used for trauma care. Famous surgeon shown in photograph credited to first cardiac transplantation. His name is Christian Barnard. Diagnostic procedure photograph is done all of the following condition except acute infection. Procedure shown in xylography. All are true about instrument shown arrow in photograph except pneumoperitoneum never required. Identify the diagnostic technique shown in photograph is ERCP. Diagnostic technique shown in photograph can be used for all except hemangioma. The procedure is liver biopsy. Imaging procedure shown in photograph is Doppler USG. Identify the procedure shown in photograph is core cut biopsy. Core cut biopsy. Identify the sign shown in photograph is Addison's sign, thoracic outlet syndrome. Instrument shown in the photograph is used for capsule endoscopy. Most important investigation to detect structure inside colon shown in photograph is colonoscopy, colonic polyp. Identify the procedure shown in the photograph is excisional biopsy. Instrument shown in photograph is used for endoscopic biopsy. Endoscopic biopsy. True about procedure shown in photograph in all except recommended for young females. Investigation mortality shown in figure can cause used to assess all of the above. Identify the diagnostic technique shown in the photograph is MRCP. Identify the sign shown in photograph is yellow arrow denotes Ringler sign, double wall sign in pneumoperitoneum. Investigation of choice for measurement of complication of condition shown in photograph is investigation of choice for measurement and complication. The condition shown in photograph is CT scan abdominal aortic aneurysm. Identify the instrument shown in photograph used for general anesthetic, laryngeal mask, airway. Identify the instrument shown in photograph is scalpel blade. Type of surgical sutures shown in photograph is continuous subcuticular. Identify the instrument shown in photograph used to artificial nutrition support is percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy tube. Type of needle used for suturing shown in photograph is component curve. Type of surgical sutures shown in photograph is first string. Type of knot used in surgery shown in photograph is surgeon's knot. Identify the instrument shown in photograph used during general anesthetic is fibro-optic laryngoscope. Type of injury shown in photograph lead to both seat belt injury. Type of injury shown in photograph is crush. Secondary surgery shown in photograph is used for trauma care. Type of brain herniation arrow shown in photograph is tonsillar. Components shown in photograph part of is glass glaucoma scale. Injury sign color shown photograph is known as battle sign. Normal volume of pressure shown in photograph is intracranial pressure value is 8 to 12 mm mercury. Normal value of pressure shown in photograph is 8 to 12 mm Hg. Procedure shown in photograph must be done in spine embolization. The answer is all of the above. Most common organ injury in trauma to body part shown in photograph is liver, penetrating abdominal trauma. In trauma, the body part shown best approach is 4. Thoracotrauma, anterior lateral thoracoectomy. Sodium concentration in solution shown is Ringer lactate 130 m equivalent per liter. Photograph shows scales used for assessment of Glasgow Glaucoma Scale Score. It is used for assesses for level of consciousness. Reflex shown in photograph used for testing. Spinal shock. Bulbocavernous reflex. Fracture shown thick line in photograph is characterized by all except proptosis. Leaf-foot fracture. Most common organ injured in blunt trauma in body part shown in photograph is spleen. Blunt abdominal trauma. Fracture shown in photograph is a type of depressed fracture. It's called signature fracture. Most common fracture site of the bone shown in condyle. Fracture mandible. Type of fracture shown in photograph is leaf-foot third. Maxillary fracture. Fixation shown in photograph is useful for intramaxillary fixation. Diagnose the condition shown in colorectal CT scan shown in photograph is fracture orbital blowout. Fracture orbital blowout. Retroparietal zone 3 shown photograph is blue color. Type of fracture shown in photograph is translation. Type of fracture shown in photograph is green stick fracture. All of the following are associated with conditions shown in photograph except cholecystitis. Right hemidiaphragmal elevation. False about the image procedure of CAD shown in photograph is demonstrated ischemia. Coronary angiography. Surgical procedure shown in photograph is coronary artery bypass grafting. Identify the type of prosthetic heart valve shown in the photograph is Bielefeldt mechanical. Identify the type of prosthetic heart valve shown in the photograph is ball and cage mechanical. Identify the valvular condition shown in photograph is mitral regurgitation. Classification shown in photograph is Stanford classification aortic distension. Procedure shown in the photograph is chest tube drainage. Most common occurred from the condition shown in photograph is penetrating trauma, arteriovenous fistula. Identify the vascular graft type shown in the photograph is tactile synthetic Dacron graft. Identify the syndrome shown in the photograph is May-Turner-Cockett syndrome, left iliac vein compression. Condition seen due to aberrant vessels, black arrow shown photograph is dysphagia lusoria. Aberrant subclavian aorta. Disease shown in photograph affects which layer of artery is all of the below. The disease called Burgess disease. Identify the device shown in the photograph is coronary stent. Normal volume of index arrows calculated by method shown in photograph is 1.0. Ankle brachial index. Ankle branchial index. Identify the condition shown in photograph is subclavicle steal syndrome. Identify hernia types shown in photograph is femoral hernia. Identify the hernia type shown in photograph is umbilical hernia. Hernia shown in photograph Bochdelic type is mostly in posterolateral. Surgery shown photograph is used to repair for umbilical hernia, Mayo's operation. Identify the condition shown in photograph is Littrus hernia. First collection shown in photograph is a typical of amoebic liver abscess. It's an anchovy sauce pus. True about the anatomical part box shown in the photograph is all except 1/3 above and 2/3 below dentate line. Maneuver shows the photograph is used to control bleeding from hepatic artery. Prilling maneuver. Identify the condition shown in the photograph is rectal prolapse. Most common carcinoma type seen at the site deposited order in the photograph is squamous cell carcinoma. Surgery of the choice condition shown in the photograph is duodenectomy, annular pancreas. Most common site of lipoma in GIT is 1. Stomach. Shunt arrow shown in the photograph used for ascites Denvant shunt. Most common complication procedure of removal of organ shown in the photograph is intestinal obstruction procedure, total colectomy. In the photograph, MC Bordner's point is depicted by red point. Most common site of carcinite tumor in GIT tract as shown photograph is 1. Appendix. Organ shown in photograph is most common site of all except stress ulcer. Stomach is the most common site. OMG. Today we are going to see image-based question in surgery. Most commonly used preservative used for suture shown in photograph is answer is isopropyl alcohol. Growth curvature tumors shown in photograph is known as Gompertz curve. Model shown in the photograph in metabolic response is surgery and trauma. Identify the abdominal contraction shown in the photograph is rectal prolapse. Most commonly injured nerve incision show thick line in the photograph is ilioepigastric nerve, MC Burness incision. Peak index of the condition among the children as photograph is 6 to 36 months age in interception. Condition shown in the photograph characterized by all except more than 50 colonic adenomas diagnostic. Familial adenomas polyps. Identify the sign shown in the photograph which occurs due to splenic trauma is Kreger's sign. Identify the sign shown in the photograph is Gray's tuner sign. Identify the condition shown in photograph is Meles viscous tears. Appearance of arrow shown in the photograph is characters of Cohn's disease, housepipe appearance. Score shown in the photograph is used for chronic liver disease. Stomach appearance shown in the photograph is Borman 4. Stomach appearance lentitis plastica. Most common site of condition shown in the photograph is 6 o'clock anal fissure. Index shown in the photograph is used for elevation of acute pancreatitis. Most common site of carcinoma of organ shown in head carcinoma pancreas. Classification of fistula. The region shown in the photograph is pars calculation anal fistula. Reflex shown arrow in the photograph is scored by Demister score esophageal reflex. Sign around umbilicus shown in the photograph result in the all of the above equivalence signs.